Show us what you've got for us this week.
What's in Kobey's box?
What's in Kobey's boxes?
I got a bit of stuff. That's the new one.
Boom. This is the new one.
Yep.
Not a re-rate.
Westland Wessex.
Westland Wessex. Sounds English.
It is English.
Is it?
It's British.
Did it crash much?
Had a huge radial engine in the nose, I'm pretty sure. That's what powered it.
A radial engine in the nose?
In there.
Oh, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's ugly as. It's cute. Yeah, I know.
Those Brits.
What have you just
Hey?
What have you just seen, huh?
Those crazy Brits. I didn't realize that they could actually make a helicopter
Hang on.
more ugly than
There you go.
Give me some. Look at that. Look at the exhaust. Wow.
That
does look
big
like
enough for
it.
Tony to
Looks
fit
like
in.
it's got a big red nose on, like a clown's helicopter.
Yeah, it had like a big radial engine in here and it opened up like
Wow. So obviously it had a bevel drive up to here.
folding tail.
Yeah. Why is that so it could go on an aircraft carrier?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, this is Air Force though. Do they have it
Air
in the
Force?
Navy? I don't know. There's a different there's another version of this. The H1 or something. White box edition.
Yeah. Oh.
Here.
Break the seal.
Oh,
That was a seal.
that was a seal.
Wasn't a very good seal, but it was a seal nonetheless. Oops. Here I am wrecking the set. Don't do that.
What are you doing?
I know, right?
Disrespect to the coyote
Don't
culture.
do that!
Don't do it.
One bag.
That's all you need.
They're the masters of packaging, aren't they?
Not really. Don't. I don't want to smell it. Actually. Oh no! I thought it. I gave it hope. I thought the white boxes wouldn't smell. God damn it! God damn it! All right.
Airfix. Clean up your act. You got a smelly box.
Smelly.
No.
You got a smelly box, Airfix. Take a shower. I'm not coming anywhere near you until you take a shower, Airfix.
What have we got?
Just goes for the stereotypes, right?
Does it?
Yeah. Big decal sheet. 3 schemes in the box. Here you go. I had a guy on a thread ask on Facebook, I just bought this Tamiya Spitfire, and I don't know what this is used for. He took a photo of the baking paper and went, what is this for? I can't find any indication in the instructions.
You could use it for your wet palette.
People were like, oh, it's canopy mask. Oh, it's a tarp for the windscreen. Oh,
They're really
it's
just
all
taking the
they're
mickey.
all taking the piss. And some bright spark,
Let him in.
went on there and went, oh, it's the film for the decals. And the
To
guy went,
protect them.
oh, okay. Well, that's a shame. But yeah.
The
there you go.
film for the decals, the water slide decals.
Yeah,
Do you like these decals?
not cartograph. They're actually okay. They're all right. I haven't built Airfix in a while. I got the Jaguar sitting there.
You need to relive Airfix dreams.
Airfix
What are we looking
dreams and many screams. There you go. That's the first scheme. There's your red nose. Red nose Rudolph. Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Not to be confused with the other Dolph.
Dolph Lundgren.
It's the letter before B. All right. WA. Western Australia. Oh, we finished the model, everybody. Look, you can fold the tail.
You can put that
And you
after
can-
it's done.
Yeah, this is at the end. You can do the rotors out, splayed out, or you can
And
do
they
them
fold.
folded.
But you can do them both ways, right? Or do you have to glue it in one position?
Oh, you have to choose.
I do,
Oh, yeah, you would, because it doesn't come with 8 rotor blades. It only comes with 4, so you would have to choose.
but it's not posable.
Nah.
It'll fall apart.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
They should
Seats.
take a letter out of Gundam's, out of Bandai's book. No, make them posable.
Posable helicopters.
Posable helicopters.
You can have Kobe Bryant's helicopter.
And what do you think about
Do
the?
you guys see the helicopter crash in LA the other day? Holy moly, that thing was insane. Cars and copters. Guys, it's insane. It crashed into like a... I don't know what happened, but it just kind of went wonky, and straight into a staircase.
What, a real life helicopter?
A real
radio,
helicopter,
radio
yeah.
control.
Like a rare one.
Oh, like a display model, like a military one, or you
No,
talking
it
just
was
a,
like a Cessna or something, like a really old 90s helicopter that's like quite rare, I'm pretty sure.
It's even rarer now. Hey, there's one less.
There's one less. There's one less kicking around.
I really don't trust helicopters that much, to be honest.
I've flown in a helicopter
I've
without the
flown
door on it.
I've flown in a helicopter, but they don't glide real well. So
No.
if they run into trouble, do you know
They
what I
do
mean?
actually glide, you know. I'm not taking the piss. They do glide.
Yeah, but still,
Look at the rotor picture. You just ask Nev.
Nev knows all about it.
Never know. Nev's know.
Nev knows.
I'm just
We could have a segment called "What Does Nev Know?"
What does Nev know? What do I know? What does Nev know? We've got the H39 back. If you missed out on the first and the second run, we've got a third run now in.
Carla
Limited.
placed second at Model Expo with her one. Her first ever.
Whose
time
name's on the trophy?
Her first time ever.
Whose name's on the trophy?
No, they don't come with names.
Yeah, they do. Mine has a name on it.
Did you get it engraved
I
by
got it
Jack's
engraved.
mate
Yeah.
at the Model Club?
Yeah, we got it
That's
engraved.
the third.
It's not sad.
A little
It
bit
was
sad.
free. You know, they were pestering me about it. I'm like, I love the model club. I love how enthusiastic they are.
It's a good community.
It's a really good community. And like, they always reach out. They're always reaching out every week being like, have you got your trophy? I'm like, yeah, but it's, you know, it's not with me. I can't like just pick it up. Anyway, I finally got it to the club. And they
Fantastic.
finally did them all. And Jack even delivered it back to me in the shop.
Jack would have
Because I
loved it.
missed out on model club, that meeting.
Jack would have loved it.
He's...
I bet you didn't get Carl's name on there. Just says Kobey.
She didn't register it. She didn't register anything. Oh, no, I'm not taking anything. It wasn't good enough. Too
Well,
bad.
she
The
got
model
second-
you
she
helped
got-
me build.
She got second place. First ever model.
Yeah, right.
Didn't even prime it.
Polished a turd.
Didn't even prime it.
No, you could tell.
Just raw dogged it.
There's a couple of scratches on like the wheels. You could see the plastic.
No, it's just weathered.
Weathered. That's the new kit. That's a Reeboks kit by Tamiya. We'll have a look at that. Why not?
Reeboks by Tamiya. What are you talking about? It's an Airfix.
Sorry, we're looking at the Tamiya hotch kit. All this confusion of Kawa building models has confused me in life now.
It's throwing you.
It's throwing me.
Well, Rudy was just in, so I'm pretty rattled.
Absolutely. What do you get two in here?
2 sprues?
You get 2 guns.
Well, why not? 1 gun's not enough. Do you want to show the people at home so they
Why
can
not?
see?
There you go. Look at that. 2 identical sprues.
You get twice as many chances to build it.
Double the money, double the fun.
What is it though? It's a British
Light
Marine-
field gun.
light.
Doesn't
field
come with the crew. They
gun.
should
Does it
put-
come with the?
No. There you go. You can paint it green, white, or tan.
Paint it pink and call it a desert campaign.
Hell yeah. Look at that. Make 2 of.
There you
Boom,
go.
boom, 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 boom. It's positionable as well. You can change the angle of attack of the
Can change the angle of the dangle.
angle of the dangle. That's right.
I can see that you're not overly excited by this one.
No, not really. It's not really. It's 76 scale. What am I going to do? I don't build 72 scale. Speaking of 72 scale, I got 3 72 scale models right in front of me. What have I done that for?
I love 72 scale.
You're a weirdo.
Why?
It's disgusting scale.
Well, I just don't have the room for the bigger stuff or the talent for the smaller stuff.
So you hide it all in this?
Yes.
Maybe 1/200's your scale.
I'm not sure. Maybe, but I don't like commercial airliners.
Fair enough. Me neither. Me neither. Here I've got 3 new ones that come in today as well.
Yep.
We've got the
Re-release
English
or
Electric.
new?
Re-release.
Re-release.
This is relatively new.
When was the last time we saw this?
Quite a while ago.
P-51D, one of my favorite planes.
It's a nice aeroplane, actually. Cadillac of the skies.
Cadillac.
Cadillac of the skies. All thanks to the movie.
Officially licensed by Boeing.
Yes. All of the Boeing stuff here has to be officially licensed. Yeah. We're going to have a look at this one just because it's like so simple. If you're looking to do a RAAF aircraft, you can come and get the Bristol Beaufort. We had these. It doesn't come with the decals in the box, but it is the right kit to do that with. So you're getting a British like Navy, like an Air Force, but used out at sea.
Mm.
You're also getting a Burmese, like British Burma version as well.
So it has an RAAF.
Well, we use them too. You can paint it all foliage green and put some roundels on it that are Australian, and it'll be Australian.
Australian as.
Aussie as, mate.
Aussie as.
Not as Aussie as the We're Away or the Boomerang, but it'll do.
It'll do.
It'll do.
It'll add to the collection.
And then this is a super iconic aircraft as well. I built one of these when I was a kid. I think one of these, not this exact kid,
You're
but...
still a kid.
What the hell? What the hell? I'm not a kid anymore. I'm just a man. I'm just a man. Well, this is the English electric lightning thing.
English electric lightning.
English electric lightning F2A.
You have to say that 10 times really fast.
English electric lightning F2A. English electric lightning F2A. This is a really cool airplane. It's kind of a cult classic amongst the Brits.
Yep.
Yeah, it was their predominant NATO fighter, I'm pretty sure. Came out in the 50s or the 60s. And it
Still
had
in use now, probably.
No, it's not actually. It's retired.
Retired.
Haha. I beat you. It had the very iconic and unique system of 2 engines positioned one above the other instead of side by side, which gave it this really like wide, long body. So it needed really large there.
So there's one here.
Well, that's the individual intake, which split into 2 huge engines, positioned one on top of the other.
Okay, this doesn't show it very well.
Yeah. Go overhead and see if we can.
Take a closer look. Oh yeah, nice.
You're looking at the drop tank, mate. You're looking at the big...
drop bears. So it has one intake, and then it splits into
2 engines at the rear.
2 engines in the rear. So here's the tail. So there's one here and one above, giving it a really cool profile, right?
Yeah.
This is French.
No, British.
British?
I don't know.
With a French flag.
Yeah.
Is that a French flag? Or am I mistaken?
It's the British bars.
British bars?
England. English rap, British bars. In it, bruv. Yeah. That's what it is.
Yeah,
you get 2 schemes in the box.
2 schemes. You're scheming.
I'm a scheme.
Scheming hard.
All right, now let's look at this. I do want to open this one because it is a very easy model to build. It's a very beginner-friendly.
Is it a new mold? Does it fit?
It's newer. It's like 2020.
So it does fit together.
Look at that. There's like hardly any parts. The other 1/72nd scale version of the Mustang is a lot more involved.
Yeah, but which one fits together better?
Probably this.
Yeah.
Probably this.
2020 molds.
You get 1 scheme in the box, keeping the cost of production and sale down. There's your details.
So it's really well priced.
Probably. I believe so. There you go. 1 scheme for you.
And it does...
Oh, wait, no, it's got 2 schemes.
Oh, my Lord.
Oh, my Lord.
Oh, my Lordy Lord.
Oh, my Lord. Get your facts straight.
Check out the...
Where are the schemes? Oh, it's on the back of the box.
Look at the surface area.
Yeah, pretty simple.
Beautiful detail, though.
Wait, no, it is just 1 scheme. There you go. Just 1 scheme on the back of the box.
There you go.
Yeah, really, really nice detail. Very, very simplified.
So you can model it wheels up or wheels down?
Let's have a look at the instructions.
Because it's got cutouts for the wheels.
Yeah. Well, they're usually positioned like that, but whether you can position them up or down, you just come out.
I like to position them up and down. One up, one down.
One up, one down. So yeah, like you've got a go to overhead. You've got a really simplified cockpit and everything in here. So as you can see, you've got just like the instrument panel with the rudder pedals molded into it, and you've got your gun sight separate. But then this whole piece here, in conventional Mustang models, you have to build them all separately. Like it's all set. Like this is the radiator compartment down here. This is the fuel tank and the radio gear, cockpit floor. You've got 3 pieces for this whole thing pretty much, and you've got a seat going in there. There's your radiator coming in there, and that's your whole cockpit done.
Done.
You got to build the prop, and then you put the whole thing together here.
Aaron Define is looking at the last model, saying that the Lightning was a bit of a hot rod, climbed like a homesick angel.
Yeah, it had a huge amount of thrust.
Oh, like you.
Yeah. I think it set some records as well.
Did it?
That aircraft, yeah.
There you go.
There's an iconic photo of, there was a photographer out on a farm, and he was taking a photo of a tractor next to the RAF airfield, and the Lightning was doing like a test flight, and the Lightning compressor stalled, I'm pretty sure, and the pilot ejected, and the photographer took the photo as the plane was falling out of the sky, and the tractor guy was like looking behind him. It's a really iconic photo of the Lightning during
crashing.
Crashing.
Well, that's not very positive.
Well, no one died.
The plane didn't survive. The poor plane didn't survive.
Ride-off. Repairable ride-off. Anyway, back to the Mustang. We're building up this fuselage section here.
I don't even know what that's called.
And you just go in the wings.
They've got the wing-a-dings.
Wing-a-dings. Straight in there. Rear tail plane all going together. You can do your flaps up or down.
How do you like yours?
In the middle. Sweet spot.
Yep.
And then
Flaps
on
in
the
the
last
middle.
page, here we go. What are we doing here? Nope, you have to position it wheels down, I believe. Oh, wait, no. Look at this. Wheels down, wheels up.
Yeah.
So you can. You were right.
Of course I was right.
Skip all this if you are doing that. And then you got drop tanks.
Yep.
Canopy can be positioned opened or closed. And you get this dopey looking pilot. You want to see his face?
The
I
what?
do. Dopey looking pilot.
Does he have a mustache?
Definitely not.
I think an English pilot needs to have a mustache.
Well, he's American.
Is he? Wow.
Hey, look at that guy.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Look at him.
Looks like you've drawn him.
Hello, I'm from Airfix, and I'm American but British. Yeah, I fly the P-51, but I don't know how to do it. I really suck at flying. Give me a balsa glider from Hearns Hobbies immediately.
Yeah, he's gone German.
Ach, German, den sein Nein.
Oh, you're out of control.
There you go.
So
That's that. That's all I've got.
this is your little weekend.